Hey everybody, it's Lance again. Looks like the bike's finally going to be going to auction, and I just want to do a quick walk around in basically the twilight hours here. The sun's kind of going down, and give you a good idea of what it looks like not in the blinding sun. I think my other videos that weren't too great because of the sun. So anyways, just trying to get every little bit of transparency to you guys and let you see it in all aspects. So just do a short one here of just good walk around. Toolbox, got tools, no cracks in the toolbox, nothing like that. I did put these spacers up here, so hopefully it's less prone to cracking. Just a beautiful bike. Everything is new on it or been completely restored, OEM parts. Wheels turned out great. That's your OEM wheels. I'm in the neighbor's yard right now because my yard is a mess with Halloween stuff. Halloween's coming up real soon. Great weather, great riding weather. So someone's going to get this while the weather's still really nice. It's an awesome riding bike. Like I said, everything's been done on it. I did sneak in an aluminum radiator with the factory shrouds, which I went over in my other video. But the rest of the bike is all done to OEM spec. Get you a good view up here from the handlebars. Your parking brakes new. All brakes are new. But your parking brake, you do have a parking brake on this one, which is rare. Just a beautiful restored bike. So yeah, that's it guys. Just do a little 2-minute here overview. Let me start it up real quick. Might as well. Yeah, for sale. Going to Bring a Trailer auction. It's where I send all my stuff. All that's new in there, all redone. Everything. Yeah, great bike. OEM bars, everything. Everything I could do to kind of get it to where, you know, everything was restored OEM wise. I did take liberty on the seat. I went with the 87 seat. And then also the a better carburetor, still Japanese, still Kian, what they came with, just a quad vent, and then a higher flow radiator and a skid plate in the back there. Yep, pretty cool. Just to give you a quick overview. As you can see, my house over there, tons of Halloween stuff. So, all right, fellas.